a whole lot of you. All right, quick announcement, of course. Right after you will be the 5K category. 5K runners, stand by. Please allow the 10K to go. You're gonna party. You're gonna go wild. Let's go. Party. I love the energy.
And go, 10K. Come on, come on, come on.
Come on, the remaining 10K. Let's get it. Go, go, go. Runners, that's all for you.
Latecomers, let's go. Oh. Let's go.
Let's go.
Dilim pa, medyo madilim pa. Alright, dali. Mukhang magpo 4K na kami, guys. Papawis muna, papawis. $4K pare, $4K. Video. Medyo maliwanag na, guys. Mga 5:20 na ata. 5:30. Let's go. Liwanag na, guys. Let's go. Nandito na kami sa wildest U-turn yung tawag. Ang kulit ng wildest U-turn, pre. Napasama pa sa SDE. Mukhang napasama pa kami sa SDE na. Pag lumabas talaga yon, sulit ang 1 sulit ang 1 plus na bayad pag lumabas sa SDE yon. Pasok tayo dito sa village.
Si Kuya.
Saan?
Dito.